Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, class. Start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. It's our maths period. Today is Tuesday, 12th January 2021. Let's start. Today our topic is number in words. Today we will learn spelling of 12. First of all, we will do oral drill of number in words. Today our topic is number in words. O-N-E-1, T-W-O-2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6, SEVEN7, EIGHT8, NINE9, TEN10, ELEVEN 11, TWELVE 12, TWELVE 12. Okay students, let's start an activity. First of all, count how many color pencils are here. I have some color pencils for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, how many color pencils are here? Here are 12 color pencils. We will write number 12 on a paper and make spelling of 12. Yes, learn spelling of 12 with me. TWELVE. TWELVE. 12. Okay, find where is letter T. Yes, here is letter T. It's our first letter. What comes after T? W. Where is letter W? Yes, here is letter W. TWELVE. 12. TWE. Where is letter E? Yes, here is letter E. We place a letter E. TWELVE. Where is letter L? Here is letter L. What comes after letter L? V. TWELVE. Yes, we will place here V and E. Again learn with me. TWELVE. TWELVE. I hope you all like this activity. Let's start our copy work. Okay students, sharp your pencil. I hope you all are ready for doing work. First of all, write date. Open your copies. Write here capital T, small u, TUES, DAY, day. Your letters must touch to this line. Okay, write small u, make small hook of U, ES, D, make small hook of D, make small hook of A, leg of Y comes below this line, comma, 12th January, Jan, UARY, January, comma, 2021. Make small hook of A and U, A, and also you will write here RY, comma, 2021, full stop. Your writing should be very neat. After that, you will write here spelling of 12. Before writing this, we already learned these spellings. Okay, write here 1, 2, 12. Write in full box 12. Then you will give a gap of 1 box. Then you will write here T, write in full box. Make small loop of T. W, W write in half box. Your letters must touch to below lower line of box. Make small hook, make small E. Make small loop of L. L must be in full box. VE, TWELVE, 12, TWELVE. Better repeat it and complete your page and show me picture of your work. I am waiting. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.